we're the Highland Household, and this is the Highland Chariot. We slapped a power washer engine there, cheaper than Harbor Freight, because that's the way we roll.
Red E-Power.
Red E-Power, go look them up. All right.
We did all new bearings on the axle. We did new brake bands. We had to fab a custom plate. We went from about 6.5 horsepower to 13 horsepower. We had to cut new brake rods. Our alignment is a little bit off here on our front end. These need to be adjusted a little bit, but in the meantime, it turns to the left very well.